Good morning, dear teacher. Our names are Andres Felipe Martinez Cuervo and Yolita Tenocho Guzman. In this presentation, we are going to talk about the crisis that Toyota faced between 2009 and 2010 due to vehicle defects and safety problems. The crisis became one of the most important causes in the automobile industry because it affects millions of vehicles around the world and had a significant impact of the company's reputation and sales. In this work, we will explain the cause of the problem, the consequences, and the solutions that the company implement to recover from the situation. Thank you. Okay. Who is Toyota? The character, the main character of this story is Toyota Motor Corporation, Japan's company globally recognized for producing reliable and safe vehicles for many years. Its name was associated with quality, effe- efficiency, and continuous improvement for millions of people buying a Toyota meant security and trust. Mm, it's a private multinational company primarily engaged in one design and manufacture of automobiles, two hybrid and electric vehicles, three trucks and buses, finally, financial and technological service associated with the automotive sector. The following is organizational approach and structure. Organizational structure, global hierarchical structure with regional divisions, strong operational standardization, and lean management principles. Toyota production system. Organizational culture based on continuous improvement, go to SNA of the events to understand the problems, respect for people, teamwork. This culture has allowed the company to mine high quality standards for decades. The next is a problem context. The conflict of the story between 2009 and 2010 that a strong reputation began to weaken. Reports appeared of because accelerating unintentionally, causing accidents and public concern. What seemed like small problems become a global crisis. Millions of vehicles were recalled. The biggest impact was the loss of consumer trust. The next is factors that caused the crisis. Mm, Now we will explain the causative factors. Some are several factors contributed to crisis. Um, Defects in the acceleration pedal, floor mats that trapped the pedal, rapid expansion, delayed response to complaints, and failures in communication and management.
What were the main impacts on the company? First, massive global vehicles recalls. The main factors recorded were acceleration defects, carpet interference, animator acceleration, sensor problems, and other vehicles campaign that the affect vehicles, including brands such as Corolla, Camry, RIV4, Tacoma, and Prius. Second, human and safety consequence. 34 deaths were confirmed in United States. 400 claims were confirmed. Third, economic and reputational impact on the shares. Impacts were mainly reflected in repair vehicles, suppliers audits were increased, quality inspection were increased, and the cost of recalled vehicles were assumed. Thus, there were also evidence of approximately 18% drop in the value of shares. How did the company respond to this problem? Slow organizational response. The company was slowly to publicly acknowledge the magnitude of the problem and communicate clear solution. This increased customer and corner and generate greater pressure from the regulatory authorities. Classification regarding the technical causes. Official investigation by agencies such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and NASA concluded that there was no widespread electronic failure. Most quizzes were related to many technical problems with the pedal and some inquiries to human error. Possible solution. Summary of the solution to the recall crisis to the 2009 to 2010 of Toyota Motor Corporation. The organization responded on four case fronts: technical correction, redesign of the accelerator pedal, replacement of defective parts, and adjust to the floor mass to eliminate mechanical risks. Second, greater quality control, strict standard, global audits, and ability to stop processes in the phase reassess. Third, improve suppliers management, more rigorous evaluation and complete um, traceability components. Foster more transparent organization response, crisis protocols, and data-driven decision. Expect results. Uh, Fewer defects, more standardized process, and gradual recovery of the customer confidence. Lesson learned. This story demonstrates that even large companies can experience problems with impacts that threaten their continuity. However, that characterizes Toyota is the way in which it addresses the different consequences, turning them into tools that strengthen the organization by raising its quality standard.